It's 7 o'clock at night, and all the music stores and repair shops are closed, and it's concert time. And Johnny, Life Sucks a Lot, is so excited for the concert because both of his parents are going to be there tonight, and he's been practicing so hard getting ready for this concert. And he's dressed up, he's got his tie on, he's looking good, and all of a sudden that tie comes up and whacks something on his instrument. Now all of a sudden Johnny's Life Sucks a Lot is frustrated because he doesn't know how he's going to go on stage and play. But all the shops are closed, and it's up to you to be able to get Johnny on stage. That's what Repair Masterclass is all about. It's teaching you the tools and skills necessary to be able to get Johnny on stage. There's 3 different ways to get this training. It's kind of a good, better, best. First is live online classes where you or a group of teachers and myself are working together to teach you the skills necessary. Better is taking the online course where we're going to dive deep into each and every instrument and figure out the problems that can happen in that, the geometry that goes along with it, and best of all, the fixes of how to get your students back up and playing. Now the best is Repair Masterclass's hands-on classes, where you actually come here into my shop and work with me for 4 very intensive days where we're learning how to do all these skills. That way you know you're doing it right.
I feel way more confident now that I can just do that, and I can figure out where the gaps are and adjust. I never had that kind of confidence before. So.
Mind blown. I'm a happy camper.
Even if you're not going to do a lot of repair in your own class, just having that knowledge of what it takes, it's going to be really cool.
And I would definitely recommend this to everybody.
My mind was blown by,
Oh gosh, the 2 things I've been raving about all week is the wax, the amazing canning wax that can do so many different things that just blew my mind.
Building the gauge, the first thing we ever did was build a gauge to test it, and doing that was really insightful from the start.
So I took a flute that didn't work at all and made it work, and that was pretty cool.
when we straightened out a rod, he straightened out a rod from a clarinet by spinning it, putting some tension on it. I had no idea how some of this stuff was done. And there were many things like that where I go, that's how that's done. I had no idea. So
I think every teacher should have at least a little snippet of this somewhere.
Highly recommend it. Come take it. Steve's great. He jokes around with you.
Like, I would have loved my school district to pay for it, but I paid for it myself, and I think it was worth every penny.
I'm about to start my 27th year, and this is really going to help me out a lot. It's stuff I wish I had known about before.
From someone who's done both sides now, the hands-on and the online, I think either format is so needed by a teacher of any instrument, of any age group.
Like, I learned so much, and I would do it again.
I would highly recommend this to all teachers.
Repair Masterclass is like having me, the repair technician, as your stand partner, so you can perform with confidence and know that you can get all of your students on stage performing with you.